Growing tilapia fingerlings can be a rewarding venture, whether you're looking to start a small farm or simply enjoy aquaculture as a hobby. Let's dive into the essential steps to successfully raise these fish from fingerlings to healthy adults. First, selecting the right fingerlings is crucial. Look for healthy, active fish from a reputable supplier. They should be free from visible signs of disease, such as lesions or unusual swimming patterns. Healthy fingerlings will grow faster and more robustly, setting the foundation for your tilapia farming success. Next, you need to prepare your growing environment. Tilapia thrive in warm water, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using a pond, ensure it has adequate sunlight and is free from pollutants. For indoor setups, consider using aquariums or tanks with heaters to maintain the right temperature. Aeration is also vital. Oxygen-rich water promotes healthy growth, so invest in a good aeration system. Once your environment is set, it's time to focus on feeding. Tilapia are omnivorous and require a balanced diet. High-quality commercial fish feed is a great choice, but you can also supplement their diet with vegetables like lettuce or spinach. Feeding them 2 to 3 times a day will help them grow quickly. Just be careful not to overfeed. Excess food can pollute the water and harm your fish. Water quality is another critical factor. Regularly test for ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. Keeping these levels in check will prevent stress and disease in your fingerlings. Change a portion of the water weekly to maintain cleanliness. Remember, tilapia are hardy fish, but they still need a stable environment to thrive. As your fingerlings grow, monitor their health closely. Look for signs of stress or disease, such as lethargy or unusual swimming behavior. If you notice any issues, consult with a fish health expert to address the problem promptly. Early intervention can save your stock and prevent larger losses. When your fingerlings reach about 6 inches in length, they're ready for the next phase. If you're raising them for food, you can harvest them at this size. If you plan to breed them, ensure you have a separate breeding tank ready. Breeding tilapia can be a fascinating process, as they are mouth brooders, meaning the female carries the fertilized eggs in her mouth until they hatch. Finally, keep learning and adapting your methods. Every setup is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Join local aquaculture groups or online forums to share experiences and gain insights from fellow tilapia farmers. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully growing tilapia fingerlings. Enjoy the process, and remember that patience and care are key to a thriving aquaculture venture. Happy farming,